Dear kids, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I think you are fine. Let's start the video. Today we will start capital letters of A, B, C. Let's start. A. This is the letter A. B. This is the letter B. C. This is the letter C. D. This is the letter D. E. This is the letter E. F. This is the letter F. G. This is the letter G. H. This is the letter H. I. This is the letter I. J. This is the letter J. K. This is the letter K. L. This is the letter L. M. This is the letter M. N. This is the letter N. O. This is the letter O. P. This is the letter P. Q. This is the letter Q. R. This is the letter R. S. This is the letter S. T. This is the letter T. U. This is the letter U. V. This is the letter V. W. This is the letter W. X. This is the letter X. Y. This is the letter Y. Z. This is the letter Z. Bye bye.